We've seen our primate relatives appear to express empathy, learn uncanny communication skills, and even use tools. Recently, Yale and Harvard researchers reported that, given an oven, chimps seem to prefer their food cooked rather than raw. What's next? The domestication of dogs? Well, maybe. During field research in Ethiopia's Gwasa Plateau, Dartmouth primatologist Vivek Venkataraman encountered a remarkable scene. Wolves and monkeys casually commingling as if spending the day at some simian dog park. Why weren't these Ethiopian wolves making little monkey meals out of the baby baboons, as one would expect lupine interlopers to instinctively do? In fact, they seemed to do everything they could to avoid raising a ruckus, replacing typical hunting postures with slow, relaxed movements, and spending hours roaming through the large gelada herds, foraging for rodents instead of baboon binging. To the researchers, the wolves seemed as if they were becoming monkey's best friend. To that end, the researchers studied the gelada herd and their wolf companions for more than 2 weeks. They noticed the wolves didn't actually live among the monkeys, but rather showed up at the time of day when the rodent population is most active. During the time with the herd, the wolves nearly tripled their normal critter catch, feasting at a much greater success rate than when away from the monkeys. This fortuitous food bump may be due to the grazing baboon herd disrupting all the rodent hidey holes, or possibly because the rodents are simply too dim to notice the difference between a wolf and a baboon. Still, the researchers noticed something missing, a fundamental factor in one species' domestication of another: reciprocity. As early as 40,000 years ago, man and canine forged a bond in the exchanged benefits of food and protection. The Ethiopian wolves witnessed in this study seemed to offer nothing to the baboons in return for their ratty rewards, other than not eating them. So the team says it was unlikely the two species will continue too much further toward the human-canine